Hello. Oh my gosh. Hello everyone. So I had the book video just posted. So if anyone has any questions about any of those products, let me know. Or not products, but those books, let me know. Oh, I forgot to even put the link down on there, but I will go on my laptop after I finish this video. But I just got my regular boxy charm, the base box. And those of you that don't know about BoxyCharm, the base box is $25 a month. I got my card right here, which I'm really excited about. And here's the card and the prices. And I'm drinking some coffee right now. Hopefully a little bit of that will soothe the throat a little. So I have no idea like what's in this box, just because I don't remember ever even picking out like an item. So yeah. All right, so my first thing that I just picked out was called Babe Lash. This is an essential serum. Really cute packaging. I love like the little designs right here. And this retails for $59. That's cool. Oh, so it's okay. I guess this will help with your eyelashes. That's kind of nice if I can like open it. Oh my gosh, it's starting to thunder again. Is anyone storming over where you guys are at? Because I was gonna take Daytona out after, well, I was gonna take him out after I made the coffee and worked on. Yeah, and here is what it looks like. It's like a matte gold. It's kind of like a heavy product. I kind of like it. Yeah, that's cute. But it's supposed to help you or help your lashes grow. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So that's kind of nice. I'm supposed to get the my premium box. So after I get my premium box, I'm going to do like a whole BoxyCharm try on, just because I feel like that would be more beneficial. Like I'll do the premium unboxing, and then right after the unboxing, then of course I will do my try on after that. I think that's my plan. That's my plan. All right, so my next item is it's called Golden Rose Rock and Roller Easy Eyeliner Ink. I don't know about that. It's by Nude Sticks. Well, that's interesting. Oh, it has a little roller. You see that on the tip right there? Huh. It's a really pretty color. I think it really matches my skin tone. It's just like right there. I don't know. I've gotten a lot tanner. As you guys can tell, like seriously, it's like I can't really do anything outside, so I just sit out there. Either I read, listen to music, listen to podcasts. I try to work on my business outside, just because like what's the point of being inside, you know? It's summer. All right, I got a Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder. Oh, I forgot to even The theme is called Sunshine, and it looks like I got 68, which is my variation. I kind of changed it up a little bit last time, just because I was like, man, I'm getting bored of this, so I figured, I'll change it. It retails for $28. I'm just trying to open it. I wonder what this is. It's a shimmer powder. It smells interesting, like vanilla. Ooh, look at that. That is really gold, and it's kind of like flaky. I think that would look really pretty. You can tell that I'm tanned. Look at that. Look at that. Right there. That is really bad. Okay, so this is Ciate London Everyday Vacay. This is a dewy coconut setting mist. Ooh, I'm excited. Oops. Ooh, that smells great. And it like has that little nice mist. See? I'm excited. I'm excited to try that. All right. Oh, and it has like, it's a really pretty bottle. I love how it looks. But Ciate London, all their stuff is so pretty. The value of that is $22. My last thing is by Per Festival. So look at that's interesting. Has a little mirror that comes with it, and then some like really pretty colors. You guys can see the mess. I like the colors. Doesn't smell anything. And of course, it seems like it's nice, but it has like this different feel. I don't know. Maybe it'll be different whenever I put it on my eyes. Here are the first 4 colors. And yeah, they're kind of flaky, but I really do like how the mattes are. It's really pretty. I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to do a video while at work. If I do, I will. I mean, obviously no one's gonna really know until like it's posted. So, I mean, I will probably comment on one of the posts that I created and do it that way. Yeah, here's the second row. Oops. Wow. Those are some colors. And here is the second row. I really like that gold, like that bronzy color right there. That's really pretty. It's like a magenta, not a bronzy color. It just looks bronzy in the camera. That pink does stain your hands though. probably like the worst mistake ever getting coffee, but it really does feel good on my throat. I told Tyler whenever I was messaging him, because I assumed that he was on break or something. I told him, like, did your mom like not tell you or that she was coughing and stuff? And he was like, no. I'm like, well, that's great to know. I mean, I wish she should have said something to us, because then if she did, then I wouldn't have gone. And then I wouldn't have had this crap. Because my immune system is sucky already in a way. Alright, so here are the last 4 colors. I think is gorgeous. I love it. I love that top color right there. Oh my gosh. Even that blue and that purple. I'm so excited to do this look. Do an amazing look. And of course, it is raining. It is dark. And I did not get my light. Oh man. So funny story. Yesterday it was storming. My poor dog Daytona is afraid of thunder. It was like, it literally sounded like fireworks yesterday over at my house. Like, quite literally, it sounded like fireworks. And I was like, dang. And then he was just like right up on top of me, and I was like, Daytona, it's okay. And I just got this like box like a few minutes ago, as soon as the weather started turning to crap. Oh, those of you that already know that I'm obsessed with pineapple, you can kind of see the pineapple right here. So I'm going to show you my new pineapple shirt. Sorry about they're out of control today. But it says high on summertime. If anyone has loves tank tops, because I know that I do, because I get hot already. If anyone likes tank tops, then I would suggest going to Hippie Runner, and then you can use the Afterpay and split your payments into 4. And of course, here's the baby bump. 26 weeks. It was 26 weeks this past Saturday. It's getting bigger. My hips are starting to hurt and stretch, but yeah, 26 weeks, and he's still going. Whew, I thought I put makeup on there. It's like, no, I just got this. Let me show you guys the cup that I got too that matches it. Give me a minute, you guys. You guys think that my obsession of pineapple is like, she's just mediocre. No, you guys have no idea. I got a Yeti cup. That is pineapple. I love pineapple. I thought about this as well. So if I have my fitness team, like whenever I build it more, sorry, I'm like burping up coffee. My fitness team would be something with the name of pineapple in there. Not like Pineapple Express or anything, just because it's kind of like weird. But like something along the lines of like the Pineapple Fitness. Something like that. I don't know. Or the Pineapple. Ooh. That's a good sizable thunder. I better finish this video because I know that Daytona's gonna start freaking. Probably should get him his pill, but I don't know. Alright, so as soon as I get my premium box, I am going to do a full try on with some of these products and my premium products and go from there. Just because I think that would be really fun. I got charged for my Slay Glam for June, and I got charged for my Slay Glam for July. I don't know when they're coming in. My June box, it's supposed to be in pre-shipment, but it's not coming. Like, it's literally, it's not. Like, I don't know what's going on. I've contacted a lot of people, and I'm like, when is this coming? Like, do you guys know what's going on? And they're like, oh, I do apologize for the wait, blah, 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 blah. But I'm like, are you guys serious? I like your guys' subscription, but if your guys' subscription is taking too long, what's the point in being subscribed? I'm still waiting for my June box. July is going to be finished. And then not only that, August is coming. I understand the pandemic, but if you guys aren't ready for the subscriptions to be shipped out, do not ship them out. I know some of you guys, some of my subscribers might have been subscribed to Slay Glam, but literally you guys, I guess there's some people that had double boxes, that got 2 boxes through Slay Glam by accident. And the other 50% of people that was subscribed hasn't gotten their boxes. It's been in pre-shipment since June 24th. It is a good company, but they can't get their shit corrected. It's insane. It drives me insane. I don't know. But as soon as I get my Slay Glam for June and July, I'm going to do a whole try-on of that together. I probably should have done that with my Glow Addict box, but I didn't. I feel like a loser, so I just, oh well. So I'll see you guys soon. If I do a video while I'm at work, it'll be a great surprise, because literally I don't know. I'll pack some stuff, a few things, and go from there. But don't be looking for a video. I mean, if it does, it does, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. But I'm going to hop off, and I will see you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye. Have a good day, guys. Bye.